Hi guys, welcome to my channel Zen Media. Today we are going to talk about top 10 venomous snakes in the world. So here we go. Number 10, Mojave rattlesnakes, also known as the Mojave green. Mostly found in southwestern United States and central Mexico. The average size of the snake is 3.3 feet. The snake's color varies from light green to brown. This allows it easily camouflage in different areas. It also looks like western diamondback rattlesnake. The venom of the Mojave rattlesnake is extremely deadly. Its toxicity is matched with the king cobra. Bites from the Mojave green often have delayed symptoms, prompting individuals to often underestimate the severity of their bite. Number 9. Philippine cobra. Average size 3.3 feet. Its geographical range in northern Philippines. It is also known as northern Philippine cobra. It is a highly venomous species of snake residing in the northernmost corners of Philippine Islands. This species is quite stocky and possesses a hood that can be raised when threatened. The snake tends to be in brown in color, with older snakes lightening in their brown appearance with age. Its venom composed of a postsynaptic neurotoxin that directly affects the respiratory system of its victim. The venom of the Philippine cobra is extremely potent. It is also known to cause paralysis of the neuromuscular system. Number 8. Death Adder. Average size 1.3 feet. Geographical range eastern and coastal southern Australia. The death adder is a highly venomous elapid snake found in Australia, New Guinea and the surrounding region. It is considered one of the most deadliest snakes in the world, with approximately 7 different species making up its overall genus. Although the death adder has a viper-like appearance, death adders are quite short with triangular heads and small scales adorning their body. They also possess a large fang as well as a lure at the end of their tail that resembles a worm. Adder often lies in wait for its prey and ambushes potential victims with lightning fast strike. Adder can strike its prey and inject venom in less than 0.15 seconds.
Number 7. Tiger snake. Average size 3.9 feet. Geographical range southeastern Australia, including the Bass Strait Islands and Tasmania, and southwestern part of Australia. The tiger snake is highly venomous snake that is found along the southern sector of Australia and Tasmania. The tiger snake is found in coastal regions, wetlands, and marshes due to the abundance of prey in these sorts of environment. The tiger snake reach a size of approximately 3.93 feet in length and come in a large variety of colors depending on their location. Similar to cobra, tiger snake is quite aggressive and scattery and will flatten its body in order to raise its head above the ground level.
Number 6. Russell's Viper. Average size 4 feet. Geographical range India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Myanmar and surrounding areas. Russell's Viper, also known as chain viper, is a venomous snake from the viper family. It is found predominantly in the Southeast Asia, China, Taiwan and India. Chain vipers are quite common and are typically found in grasslands or bushy areas. They are also common around farm but tend to avoid forested regions as well as marshes and swamps. One of the chain viper primary food source is rodents. As a result, these snakes are often found around human settlements. Given the fact that rats and mice tend to stay close to humans, chain vipers possess flat triangular heads with rounded and razor snout. Number 5. Black Mamba. Average size 6.6 to 10 feet. Geographical range southern and eastern Africa. The black mamba is species of extremely venomous snake that resides in sub-Sahara Africa. This snake is also known to live in both the trees and lands. As a result, they are often found along savannas, woodlands, forests and rockier regions. The mamba is known for its length at approximately 6.6 feet to 10 feet on average. Some black mambas have even reached a length of nearly 14.8 feet, making it one of the longest venomous snakes in the world. The black mamba often maintains a color of grey, olive and dark. Number 4. Eastern Brown. Average size 4.9 to 6.6 feet. Geographical range Eastern and Central Australia and Southern New Guinea. Eastern Browns are found in nearly all environments except some dense forests around Australia. They are most common ground farms as their main prey includes the popular house mouse. This extremely deadly snake is quite slender in appearance and reaches an average length of 4.9 to 6.6 feet. As its name implies, like the eastern brown is typically brown in color with some of snakes taking an blackish appearance as well. The eastern brown snake's venom is extremely deadly and is responsible for more deaths in Australia than any other snake species. Number 3. Blue Crate. Average size 3.6 feet. Geographical range throughout Thailand and much of Southeast Asia. The blue crate or Malayan crate is a highly venomous snake of the elapid family. On average, the snake reaches the length at approximately 3.6 feet and maintains a color pattern of bluish black cross bands that are separated by yellowish white interspaces. The blue crate predominantly found in Southeast Asia, including Indochina and Indo-Asia. It primarily feeds on mice, other snakes, reptiles, and small rodents. The blue crate's venom is highly potent and consists of extremely powerful neurotoxins that paralyzes its victim's neuromuscular system.
Number 2. Inland Taipan. Average size 5.9 feet. Geographical range the west and southwest of Queensland, far west of New South Wales into the northeast corner of South Australia and the southeast of the Northern Territory. The taipan is a highly venomous snake that resides in Australia. It is a member of the elapid family which includes cobra and is considered to be one of the deadliest snakes in the world today. Most of the taipan species are found along the northeast coast of Queensland as well as the southern sector of Papua New Guinea. It primarily feeds on rats and bandicoots along with other small mammals. The taipan's venom contains high levels of neurotoxins. One bite from a taipan often results in paralysis of the victim's nervous system and clots the blood.
Number 1. Belted Sea Snake. Average size 1.5 to 3.3 feet. Geographical range primarily near the tropical reefs of Indian Ocean, Gulf of Thailand, New Guinea, Indonesia and the coastal line of Philippines. The Belted Sea Snake, also known as the Faint-Banded Sea Snake, is considered the most venomous snake in the world. The snake is relatively small in size with a slender body and a yellow base with green crossbands. It is commonly found in the Indian Ocean, as well as the Philippines, Gulf of Thailand, the Solomon Islands and northwest coast of Australia. It is typically found along tropical reefs and can hold its breath for nearly 8 hours before resurfacing for air. Current observation indicates that the belted sea snake eats small fish and eel. The belted sea snake is so poisonous that a single bite can kill an individual in less than 30 minutes.